Let's learn how you can see your Instagram password if you forgot it. You can follow this tutorial from both phones, but I will show you this on iPhone, and I think iPhone has a better option for this. So first, what you need to do is to go to settings and just scroll down until you find passwords option, and here it will be saved every password you have on your iCloud. To check this, just go to Face ID. I won't do that now because I don't want to expose my passwords. If you didn't find your password here, go back and open Instagram application. Go to your profile, then 3 horizontal lines, and open your account center. Now scroll down until you find password and security, and this page is dedicated for your password, so you can change password, use two-factor, that doesn't matter. This saved login, if you can check if you saved login for this profile, then you can check where you logged in. Login alerts, recent emails can also help. This is if you are already logged into your account, or you can go to open google.com, for example, and type instagram.com and log in here, and for if you can see, check if you have autofill for your account, and that is some of the ways. So